This is a before the rain tea party.
Tea isn't nearly as good as ice cream.
Well, we don't have ice cream, Maeve. We've just got tea.
One number 2.
My spoon is dirty.
Oh, no! Here, Maeve, have mine.
All my stuff gets dropped on the ground.
Well, at least you've got a clean spoon.
So, one number 2, Maeve. You just tell me when, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Maeve! You're ruining the tea party.
No, I'm not.
R2.
Well, it's only because tea parties are silly and no fun.
Are not!
Yes, they are.
Well, if you don't like playing tea parties, you're officially uninvited. Forever!
Fine.
Fine.
Fine times infinity.
Hi, Marcy.
Come here, Marcy. Maybe she's nervous because you yelled at her before.
Oh, yeah. I did get pretty grumpy with her. I'm sorry, Marcy. I didn't mean to be so grumpy. I didn't mean to be so grumpy with Maeve either.
Maybe you can invite her to your next tea party, right? When the rain stops.
I've got a better idea.
Hi, Ray.
Brody, tell Ray I'm not talking to him.
Oh, I don't think so. You two can do your own talking, can't you?
Maeve, I'm really sorry I uninvited you from the tea party. I was grumpy because my tea set got knocked over.
I'm sorry too, Ray. I was grumpy because I dropped my ice cream.
We were double grumpy.
I really do like your tea parties.
Well, that's good, because you're officially re-invited. Come on.